Welcome back to the final part of the series, but before we get into the video, my most viewed video on this channel, I believe, is the last PC I built. It wasn't even my own, it was my friend's. Fortunately, I didn't film myself building my first ever PC just because I didn't really know what I was doing yet then, and I was constantly having to look stuff up, and I was on call with my friends as well who kind of knew better than me. That is the most viewed video of this channel at the moment, so let's see if this video can compete. Also, we're close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get to that, so please do subscribe if you're watching this. And wow, is it massive. So on the eBay listing, when I saw it, it said it was left with him with a friend. He had no use for it and they just wanted it sold. And then he said there's no markings, so he doesn't know exactly what case it is, which is weird to me because when we met up yesterday, it came in the box. So I was like, surely that says the model. And I was shocked because in the pictures, obviously it was just the case itself. So I assumed that when we met up, it would be just the case, because he also didn't want to post because according to him, too risky to post because of obviously the glass panels, which I can appreciate. But like he had the box the whole time, so I don't know why he was saying that he didn't know what it was. I don't blame him though. But yeah, how big is that? Bigger than my torso. Try and get this unboxed. That's screws, which we always like. Wow, that's massive. It's heavy too. So the case, I don't know if you guys saw in the box, it's the O11 Dynamic XL, not the Evo version. First, it's clean as well. I can't really see any like signs of wear, signs of use. Literally a tiny bit of dust. Oh, it just pops out. I like the sliding mechanism of the other case, to be fair. Little bit of sign of use, but that is so little, like the amount of dust, barely used. And this is what? This is like a 200-pound case, brand new. Okay, so I've gotten all the panels out, like back, side, front, whatever. They're all out, so I have easy access to the case now. After looking online, I was like, okay, I'm convinced that this is not the non-Evo version. It is the Evo version, so it's like, that's actually so sick that I got this for 20 pounds. Also, on here, all over, it says it confirmed my suspicion. So what a win. I remember back in lockdown when I first built my PC, I started watching like videos and videos of PC builds. I was just enjoying so much. It was just so satisfying. I was enjoying watching people build PCs. And I remember Lian Lee's cases really standing out for me. I was like, yeah, I wanna, like my next build, I want it to be on this case, right? And it's crazy that I found this for such a deal. Obviously, the priority of the challenge was to buy all secondhand, but then when I started seeing these cases, I was like, wow, if I could get that for that price, then that would be a win. So I'm really so happy with this. The board as well is the one I wanted to get, the B550A in white. Okay, I didn't show you guys when I packed the smaller case, so it's there, right? But I'm just gonna show you guys just so you can have fun at the expense of me. So packed everything up, right, in the box, all sorted, accessories and everything. I saw this on my desk. So now I have to take it back out, put this back in, put it back in the box. It's actually so annoying. But it's good because I wanted, like I was thinking just before I saw that on my desk, I was like, oh, I didn't do like a side-by-side comparison of the two cases, how much bigger the other one actually is. So it works out. Joke's on you guys. To think that I was considering downsizing this, looks like I have no choice but to stick with this one. So I've said it's done, but anyone who's built a PC knows that nothing's ever done. Like, there's still things I need to work on. So for example, I'm trying to think if I need more fans, but I was observing the temps. I played a few games a while ago. I was observing the temps and they were pretty good. Under 70 on the CPU, under 80 on the GPU. So all good, I think. Obviously, I'm gonna keep on observing that, see if I need to add some more cooling, because 3 on the bottom are intake, 3 on the side are intake as well. And then I've only got the 2 exhaust fans from the rad up top. So I'm not sure if that's going to be enough. Let me guys know what you think about that. Storage also, prices are just stupid at the moment. I only have 500 gigs of storage, which is not ideal. I should have a couple SSDs, 500 gig lying around here somewhere. So I'll find them and probably attach that. But ideally, I'd want a terabyte or 2 of storage. But overall, really happy with this. It's been 5 years coming. I'm just very pleased with how this came along, and we all know that building it is gonna be a lot more fun than actually using it. So I had a ton of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos as well. Thank you so much for watching, and get subscribing so that one day I could build a brand new PC. But yeah, thank you guys for being with me on this journey. I really appreciate it. Like the video, comment, subscribe, whatever. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.